Contreras music. Welcome to Contreras Music. I'm Christian, and this is you in 3 minutes from now. Start the timer. Here we go. Now before I begin this lesson, guys, show me a bit of love. Like if you like the lesson, subscribe, notifications, and leave me a comment. I loved it. I hated it. I want you to teach, whatever you leave, I read, I respond. So please, guys, share with a friend as well who wants to learn piano. Now, let's get stuck right into this lesson. You only need 4 chords to play the whole thing. 4 chords. F minor, D flat major, A flat major, E flat major. Now here's how we do it, okay? Step 1, sit in front of your piano, right in the middle, find 3 black notes, boom, there's your F, okay? Right here, F. From there, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, F, C. Spidey fingers so you can see what's going on. There it is, okay? Play F, C, like this. Straight posture, parallel wrist, curve those fingers. And I want you to practice it 10 times. Once, twice, lift off, down, up in the air. So I have a question. Yes, play that again. 10 time reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I gotta speed up. I'm on the clock. Next chord, second chord. That's our D flat major. How did I do that magic? Just move my pinky up to C sharp or D flat. Watch again. From here, I went to here. Leave that guy alone. 10 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 10 times rep. Believe me, you need to do this for muscle memory and to get it locked in. Third chord is your A flat major, and that's E flat and C. So look how I jumped. E flat and C, okay? 10 times please. Don't skip the reps, you need 10 reps. Then finish with the same E flat but B flat at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get the idea, 10 times each. Boom, level 1 accomplished. Level 2, jumping between the chords, you need to transition. Here's how you do it. Chord 1 to chord 2. Did you see? Look. See? All right, 10 times. Once, twice, 3, 4. You get the idea. Now from chord 2 to chord 3. Look how I do it. Here to here. Slow it down, rewind it, play it. Okay? You can. It's a video. I'm live. I can't rewind this. You can. Okay? F, C sharp, E flat, C. One more time. F, C sharp, E flat, C. Boom. 10 times, please, people. Moving it on. Now from here, we go to the last chord. So here again, look, E flat, C, E flat, B flat. Copy that 10 times, and don't forget to then come back to the first chord 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, look at the movement. E flat, B flat, C, F. See? Boom, level 2 achieved, got it. We're now ready to play it. To do this now, the final level before you graduate, you gotta play the whole thing once per chord, no going backs, no pauses, no repeats. Which means F minor, next, D flat, next, A flat, that's a tricky one, E flat, repeat, 1 rep, guess how many? 10 times, you're a genius. 10 times, once, 3, 10. Now when you make mistakes, and you will at some point, do not stop and restart. That is stupid. Just keep going. Believe me, I know what I'm talking about. I'm the teacher, not you, okay? Please keep pushing on until you get to the end. And stop the clock. 3 minutes. That's it. That's all it took. You're now ready to play. Once you've done this 10 times, like I've shown you, we're ready to play it. So go ahead. 3 times each, like me. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And start slow, of course. 1, 2. The first time you actually do it, go really slow. Yeah? Super slow. Okay? But if you've done all those reps that I told you, this shouldn't be too difficult. Congratulations. There you go. Am I a good teacher or what? Well, we'll see. Now, if you want an extra level, Christian, I need a challenge. I thirst for challenge. Here's your challenge, buddy. All right, left hand goes in. Finger 3 on F. Pinky on D flat. Thumb on A flat. 4th on E flat. Trust me on the fingering, just make sure you do it. F, D flat, A flat, E flat. You gotta do these, okay? Now, they go the same as we did the other steps, guys. 10 times. First one with the first chord. Second one with the second chord. 10 times. You gotta do it, man. Third one with the third one. 10 times. Fourth with the fourth. Once again, please go back. Watch this again. Repeat the video so you see what I'm doing. Okay? This is the Blitz tutorial. I gotta keep moving. And you practice that 10 times, including the transitions, okay? Everything times 10 until you're fluent. And then, it's gonna sound something along the lines of what I'm about to play for you. That's my last gift. Now, I'm not lying, I do have a free gift for you guys, so please click the link below. And if you want the entire lesson as a cheat sheet free of charge, my PDF cheat sheet to you as saying thank you for watching. The link's right there. Click it, no strings attached. I'll send it straight to your inbox. No charge. My gift to you, thank you for watching. This is what I do. I love what I do, and I love helping people learn. So make sure you click it, put it on your phone or tablet in front of your piano. You can learn on the go. You don't need to watch the entire video again. Super easy. Now, second gift. If you want to take it to the next level, guys, you need a next level teacher, a next level program. That's what I come in. I don't know if you know what I do, but I create courses, specifically piano courses, online piano courses for beginners, for intermediate, even for advanced. I've just launched Premier Piano, the very best course I've ever done. I'm so proud of it, guys. I'm confident you're gonna love it. It's gonna teach you so much, and it's available now from premierpiano.shop. Take that, one day you might end up sounding like. Once again, my name was Christian. Thank you for watching. Links below, premierpiano.shop. Check it out now. Put the best on your side. Learn, love this instrument. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Contreras music.